Section 2.2, example 14, graph two equations and determine whether the lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. So what I really want to do is graph these on Desmos. And there we go. Let's start with that first equation. 3y is equal to a negative 4x plus 3. That's equation 1. That one's in red. Let's move on to the other one. 3x minus 4y is equal to 8. All right, graphing these two, they look like they might possibly be perpendicular. And what perpendicular means is that we have a 90-degree angle between all four corners where the two lines meet. So 90-degree angle. The way we could find that out is instead of graphing it, we could actually compute it. If they're so far, we're gonna put it's not parallel because parallel are gonna have the exact same slope, just in different areas. And perpendicular, it's going to be two lines that intersect and create a 90-degree angle for each of those angles. So it's at this point, it kind of looks like it could be perpendicular. So it's either going to be perpendicular or neither. So let's start with equation 1. I'm going to put it in slope intercept form and compare it to equation 2 in slope intercept form if their slopes are opposite reciprocals, then they are perpendicular. Otherwise, they are not. So let's get it into slope intercept form. 3y is equal to negative 4x plus 3. And the only thing we have to do here is divide both sides by 3 to get y by itself. So divide both sides by 3. We end up with y is equal to negative 4 over 3. That doesn't simplify. X plus 3 divided by 3 is 1. That's equation 1. Let's get equation 2. 3x minus 4y equals 8. To get y by itself, we're going to subtract 3x from both sides. We end up with negative 4y is equal to negative 3x plus 8. And from here, we're going to divide both sides by negative 4 to get y by itself. We end up with y is equal to, now here we have negative divided by negative. That's going to be a positive. 3 and 4 do not simplify, so it's just going to be 3 over 4x. And dividing these two, 8 divided by negative 4 is going to be a negative. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And now here, our slope is equal to a negative 4 over 3. And over here, we have slope is equal to a 3 over 4. Opposite, so one of them is negative, one of them is positive. Opposite, and now we need reciprocal. Reciprocal is just flipping the fraction upside down. So now the numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator becomes the numerator. So 3 over 4, which is the exact same thing that we have right here, because they are opposite reciprocals. So since the slopes are opposite reciprocal, they are perpendicular. Put a little exclamation point on that. They're perpendicular. All right, and that's it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.